The YAML extension identifies a YAML Ain't Markup Language file containing structured configuration data in human-readable format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, validate, or troubleshoot these configuration files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the YAML file. I'll reveal it at the end. YAML files use YAML Ain't Markup Language, a human-readable data serialization format for configuration files and data exchange. They store structured data, including settings, parameters, and hierarchical information used extensively in DevOps cloud computing and application configuration. YAML files use indentation-based structure with key-value pairs lists and nested mappings. They support comments with hash prefix string number boolean and null data types and multiline strings. Proper indentation with spaces not tabs is critical for valid YAML structure. The native handler for YAML files is usually Microsoft Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows treats scripts as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the proper runtime. To unlock this specific YAML file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio Code is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If your YAML file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since this YAML format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, editing YAML files. Open YAML files in Visual Studio Code with the YAML extension for syntax, highlighting validation and auto-completion. Maintain consistent indentation using 2 or 4 spaces. Use the editor's YAML linting to catch formatting errors before deployment. Next, validating syntax. Use online YAML validators or command line tools like YAMLint to check YAML syntax before deployment. Common errors include incorrect indentation tab characters and unquoted special characters. Python's YAML safe load can validate YAML programmatically during CI/CD pipelines. Finally, common uses. YAML is the standard configuration format for Docker Compose, Kubernetes manifests, GitHub Actions, Ansible playbooks, and Spring Boot configurations. Its readable syntax makes it preferred over JSON and XML for human-edited configuration files across modern software infrastructure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.